Hi friends, as a part of All India Congress Committee Speak Up India program, I am on live now. Our Prime Minister every 2 weeks or 3 weeks announces lockdown. He is celebrating COVID-19 as a festival because there is no preparatory work going on and no packages for the common man are being announced. On this occasion, I am noticing one point. Even when we clap our hands or jerk our noises during the lockdown, the common man's stomach is not filled. To date, we have seen from Modi that the common man has become a corporate lover. The spread of the disease alarming in many states today. The central has not taken any specific step. Are there any adequate preparation for a development in health sector? Are there any measures for disease prevention? There is no enough test kits or medicine there. The Prime Minister is announcing lockdown, as I said earlier. How long will it last? Are you planning to carry on immediately without any preparation? Even months after the announcement of the lockdown, the guest workers have yet to complete their arrangements for repatriation. The central government has not been able to comprehend India's true financial situation. The central government is still sitting on the smoke screen of rupees 20 lakhs crore economic package. The financial stimulus package announced by the centre is no way connected to the pandemic situation prevailing in the country. The package should have been more focused on the public health instead of announcing the privatization, which is no way connected with the present situation. Not even 5% of the total package announced will reach the hands of common man. At the same time, the tax relaxation has been given liberally to the corporate. The lockdown hand bad to the micro, small, medium enterprises as well as daily wages people. The central government has not been able to provide any relief to the distressed people. Today, our people need money. On this occasion, I am requesting to the Prime Minister of India that he should reconsider the COVID-19 economic stimulus package. The government should take action to pay rupees 7,500 per month for 6 months straight to the poor people. Also, they have to pay rupees 10,000 very immediately. The central government is yet to open its eye to the issues of the common man in the country. Meantime, I ask our beloved Prime Minister to take steps to bring back our overseas Indians very speedily. And funds for these are taken from ICWF and they are requested to provide quarantine facility. Expecting a favorable decision from central government in favor of distressed people, migrants, expatriates. Thank you. Jai Hind.